Can AI replace software engineers? Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the app you use every day was built entirely by AI. No human programmers, no software engineers, just machines writing code for other machines. Sounds impossible? Well, in 2026, AI can already build websites, write apps, debug code, and even create video games in minutes. So now the big question is, will AI replace software engineers? Or are we entering a future where humans and AI build technology together? Because what happens next could completely change the tech industry forever. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most controversial questions in technology. Can AI actually replace software engineers? And the answer is way more surprising than most people think. Let's break it down. Why people think AI will replace programmers. Over the last few years, AI tools have evolved at insane speed. Systems like OpenAI's coding models, Google's Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot can now write entire functions, fix bugs automatically, explain complex code, build apps from simple text prompts, and even generate full websites in seconds. A beginner today can create software that once required an entire engineering team. That's why many people are panicking. Some CEOs have even predicted that AI could automate huge portions of programming jobs within the next decade. And honestly, they're not completely wrong, because AI is extremely good at repetitive coding tasks. Need a login page? AI can build it. Need a Python script? AI can generate it instantly. Need to convert code from one language to another? AI does it in seconds. In fact, recent industry reports show that developers using AI assistants can complete some tasks up to 50% faster. That's massive. But here's the part most people miss. Writing code is only a small part of being a software engineer. What AI still can't do. Real software engineering is not just typing code, it's solving human problems. A software engineer has to understand what users actually need, why a product exists, how systems scale to millions of people, security risks, business goals, team collaboration, and unexpected real-world problems. AI struggles with these things because it doesn't truly understand the world. It predicts patterns. That's different from human reasoning. For example, an AI might generate code that looks correct, but fails in real-world situations. Sometimes AI creates fake functions, insecure code, or completely wrong solutions with high confidence. This is called AI hallucination. And in critical industries like banking, healthcare, aviation, or cybersecurity, one bad line of code can cause millions of dollars in damage. That's why human engineers are still essential, because humans provide judgment, creativity, responsibility, and decision-making. AI can assist, but humans still lead. The real future of software engineering. Here's the truth nobody tells you. AI probably won't replace software engineers, but software engineers who use AI may replace those who don't. The future developer won't spend hours writing basic code manually. Instead, they'll become more like AI supervisors, system architects, creative problem solvers, and product thinkers. In other words, coding itself may become less valuable, but understanding systems, users, and innovation will become more valuable. Think about calculators. They didn't replace mathematicians. They changed how mathematicians work. AI is doing the same thing to programming. And honestly, this could make software engineering even more powerful. A single engineer with AI tools might soon do the work of an entire small team. That could lead to faster startups, cheaper innovation, and completely new industries. What is the bigger question? But maybe the bigger question isn't, will AI replace software engineers? Maybe the real question is, what happens when AI starts building better AI? Because that's already beginning. Some researchers are now developing autonomous AI agents that can plan projects, write code, test software, and improve themselves. If that continues advancing, the future of programming may look completely different from today. But one thing is certain, technology has always changed jobs, and every time it happens, humans adapt. The developers who survive won't be the fastest coders. They'll be the fastest learners. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos on AI, future technology, and the next big innovations changing our world. Because the future is arriving faster than anyone expected. And trust me, this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching.